Hi, and welcome to the maple syrup of renewable energy in Strata. So, we get to look at a lot of strata buildings, and sometimes there are a couple that do something exceptional. And the Jackson building at 3 Abbotsford Cove Drive in Abbotsford in the Canada Bay Local Council area was one of these buildings. It went out and it installed a 20.8 kilowatt solar system with a 12.8 kilowatt hour battery. And this is in a community association at a place called Abbotsford Cove. And they set a benchmark, being the first strata scheme in their community association to do common area solar and batteries. And then a couple of years later, they actually backed it up by doing an electric heat pump hot water system and ditching their existing gas storage hot water system for 24 apartments. So this strata scheme was, to my knowledge, the first strata scheme in New South Wales which had done common area solar and battery and also a common area hot water heat pump, with the possibility that sometimes solar power from the solar system or from the battery is actually feeding making of communal hot water for the 24 lots, which was a fantastic achievement when this went in 2025. Now, it's always great when a rival community association in the same local government area of Canada Bay, and in this case, the Breakfast Point Community Association, has one particular strata scheme which goes and does something that takes the cake and pushes things just one step further compared to what we saw at the Jackson building in the Abbotsford Cove Community Association. And in 2026, that building is the Maple building inside the Breakfast Point Community Association, which is a 21 lot strata scheme. And they have been the first strata scheme out of 36 different strata schemes in their community association to push through and install rooftop solar panels. And that is an achievement because there were quite a few barriers at the community association level to getting this done in a master planned community like Breakfast Point. We can see here, this is the solar panel system from above. And this is actually a bit bigger solar system. It's 52 kilowatts of shared solar. And they have 52 kilowatts of shared batteries. They also have done something that takes it one step further from the Jackson building. So the Jackson building just had a common area solar and battery feeding a heat pump. This is a shared solar system using the Illume Energy Sol Share units, which can feed solar power into 21 different units and the common areas, and also excess solar that's generated that's stored in these two batteries can also flow through this shared solar system and back into the 21 individual apartments and the common areas. So what they've done here is a shared solar system, which is one step forward from just a common area solar and battery system at Jackson. And this building's also gone and decommissioned its common gas hot water system and replaced it with a heat pump system. So we can see a single Mitsubishi Qton heat pump that's been installed at the Maple building. And here are the two storage tanks which are paired with that Mitsubishi Qton heat pump system. And uh, the Maple building's also done what we call um, the art of the rebate stack. So they secured a 50% discount on the shared solar installation by means of an application to the New South Wales Solar for Apartment Residents rebate program. And they also got the federal cheaper home batteries rebate in full um, at the original level that it was introduced in 1st of July 2025 because they installed the two 25.6 kilowatt hour batteries prior to the 1st of May, which was the first step down in the amount of rebate that you would get. So anyone that installs batteries under the federal cheaper home batteries rebate from now on won't get as much rebate as those people that installed between 1st of July 2025 and 1st of May 2026. And they also made use of the New South Wales Energy Savings Scheme on the heat pump installation. And as we mentioned earlier, they break through the community association barrier. So there'll be a number of other strata schemes in the Breakfast Point Community Association that'll follow what the Maple Building has done. But look, it's terrific work by the Jackson Building in the Abbotsford Cove Community Association and terrific work by the Maple Building in the Breakfast Point Community Association as they've set the standard for future electrification upgrades in each of their respective community associations. So well done to both of these buildings, but we've just seen Maple take it one step further. So hopefully we'll be back with another video where another building actually takes it another step further and can take the crown as one of the most electrified strata buildings. Thank you.